Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing mobile text alerts, a tool that claims to effortlessly engage all your customers via mass text messaging. So mobile text alerts is an SMS marketing tool that lets you launch and manage bulk text message campaigns easily and effectively. It's an alternative to Slick Text. This an SMS marketing tool. So you're gonna use that to send bulk message to your clients about cancellations, about booking, about announcements. There are a lot of use cases here. But it's good to say that this deal is only for US and Canadian numbers. So it's only for North America sending. And it costs on license tier 1 message per month, tier 2 1,000 message per month, and tier 3 more message per month. You also get more opt-in keywords. It includes two-way messaging, mobile service, text rollovers to next month. So let's take a look on the dashboard to have a great overview of the platform. When you just subscribe, you're going to get a new number. And that number is the number that you're going to use to reach out to your clients. What is an opt-in keyword that they say on AppSumo? An opt-in keyword is a word that people can text to your 5G short code when people opt in. They are added to your contact list, a group, optionally, and they receive an auto. So it's when you say just, type the name of a business, type tech trends on, and you're going to be added on our contact list. And people type tech trends on. This is an opt-in keyword. And you get also an opt-in number. When they type that number, they can be added to your contact list or also in a group. And they receive an auto response. Yes, you are included on our contact list. Thank you so much. And also the whole structure is pretty easy to understand. For instance, here you can add subscriber, setting up the keyword that I just explained. You can import a spreadsheet of numbers, for instance, an XLS with her numbers. You can manually enter the numbers, or you can share a sign up page. So people can add their telephone number and their contact, and they will be added in your contact list. You have here a form to send a test message. So just add the number here, the message here, type here, and send message, and you're gonna text the number. Here you have a field to send the message now, to schedule the message to be sent a later date, and also to create drip campaigns and mobile surveys. So here is the dashboard to create the message, and you have some kind of templates in variables. You can add as variables first name, last name, and digital coupon. So you can send coupons to your clients. You can call your clients by name, and also you can insert links. For instance, here you can type the links here, sumo.com. You can turn on to track link clicks by number, email, and click here. You add the link, and here you have a link. So just see this awesome website. And also add a header on your message, greetings, the text, and the link. Okay, you can add foot here, stop to opt out. So if people type stop, they will opt out from your contact list. This will be good to do. You can also send a picture message to them, okay? And here you're gonna click here to send the text message. It's possible to create mobile questions. So you go here, here's a question. When your recipient replies 1, the response is green. And you add a response here. When your respondent replies 2, the response is red, etc. So pretty simple how to create mobile surveys as well. The tool is pretty slick and easy to understand. And you can create a drip campaign that's a series of messages that your customer will receive about, for instance, a campaign. So you're going to create a message here, a campaign here, you're going to save, then you're going to go to the workflow, and you're going to add a message here. And then after you create the message, you can say, for instance, send it immediately, also send with a picture. And then you can add a delay, like number of days, 3 days delay. And then you add a second message. This would be, for instance, a drip campaign. Pretty easy to do as well. You can create groups. So you're gonna, divide the customers by groups. For instance, if you have two businesses, so group one, tax friend zone, group two, AppSumo. So client from different businesses. And you also have the inbox where you can see your client message, which kind of replies did you receive. You're going to see here conversations, message, and the info of those users. And you can also manage your contacts. You have a CRM where, as I said, you can add manually phone number or email, import spreadsheet, or copy and paste contacts from another document. So that's mobile text alert, or mobile if you are in Canada. And this is that AppSumo review. If you like that review and if you usually like my videos, please click in the link in the description or in the comment, because then you help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye bye.